Hello, and welcome back to another edition of the Medeek Wall plugin. My name is Nathaniel P. Wilkerson, and today I wanted to talk about the new copy opening tool which I've just created, and I've added that to the Medeek Wall Tools 2 toolbar, and it is this icon right here. And as you can see, it's basically a little opening with an eyedropper tool, and it is very similar to the copy wall tool, which you'll find on the main toolbar here. Okay, so basically I've created this new tool because of Matt Donnelly's responses or remarks within a new video that he just posted on YouTube not too long ago. And basically he said, it'd be nice to be able to have the same features available for openings, windows, and doors as it is you have with walls as regards to copying features across multiple walls. So that's kind of the genesis of the whole new tool here. So let's go ahead and get started with that and show you that. So basically just click on the tool, and then you can click on windows, doors, garage doors. Let's start with garage doors. I'm going to click this one right here, and you can change any one of these parameters. You'll notice that the menu looks very similar to the edit menu for the garage door, other than you have all these check boxes and everything is grayed out. So let's change the garage door width. Let's say 120 inches. And let's go ahead and update that. And then you can click the exact same door to update those settings, or you click any other door. So let's update these two doors. So let's go ahead and start with this door first, and then let's go ahead and click this door over here. Okay, so that's basically basically propagating that parameter over to two doors without having to actually open the edit menu for each door separately. And so that's kind of the benefit of having this tool. All right, so let's go ahead and say, and I've got the gypsum turned off here, but that's fine. Let's say, for instance, with these windows, we've got a bunch of various windows in the project, but let's say that we want to update this casing in here, this interior casing, to match, I think that's style D actually. So let's go ahead and select this window here, and it could be any window actually. Let's go into the casing options, and let's update that over here to style D and hit update. And then once we do that, notice that that's updated and matches that style. So then we'll go ahead and jump around here and see we don't have to open up the edit menu for each window separately now. We just have to click on each window. And notice it's not changing the window sizes or anything, it's just changing this one parameter that we have checked off here. So let's go ahead and get that one, and then let's say these two right here that are just sitting there in the front. Okay, so there we go. There's a bunch of windows. And all right, so let's demonstrate that also for doors now. Click the tool again. In this case, I want to change these other three doors to full glass. And it just so happens that this one that I clicked already is full glass. I don't have to change that. I just click the check mark, so it enables that parameter, and then hit update. And now, as I mouse over and change these doors, you'll notice that they're now full glass doors. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a very simple tool, very similar again to the copy wall tool. And just as a recap, I'm going to show you guys what the copy wall tool is similar in that respect. Again, the same idea. Let's go ahead and change, say, the wall cladding just to green, and then you can go around and quickly hit each wall, update it, and boom, we've updated all the cladding and all the walls in this particular model. All right, so the nice thing is now is this copy opening tool, just like the copy wall tool, allow you to do the same sort of thing with doors, windows, and garage doors. And yeah, it took a little while to do that, about a week's worth of programming because of all the menus, but I think it'll be well worth the time spent on it. So anyways, if anyone has any questions or concerns or possibly new features you'd like to see added, please email me, even call me if you like. I'm always open to more feedback. And again, thank you guys for your support, and we'll talk to you later.